Number 1. Empower people around you. In today's world, everyone is just jealous and tries to bring people who are doing better down. Going against this norm will instantly make you stand out. So, when you provide encouragement, support, advice and belief in a person, you will instantly win them over. Number 2. Be the source of positivity. Positivity shouldn't be only on your face, but also in your behaviors and actions. So, when you become a source of positivity, people will want to be in your presence a lot more. Number 3. Stop complaining. Once you start complaining about things, you are destroying all the positivity you just created by reminding everyone about the negativity. Complaining is just crying about how bad things are. Instead, start talking about how to overcome the negative things. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more such videos. And remember, you are awesome.